I condemn the demolition of the temple and arrest of the Hindu Munnani leader Sri Kadeshwara Subramaniam. Why I am telling this? Because repeatedly the DMK is doing a mistake by its anti-Hindu mindset, because yesterday only they have got the verdict for the Thiruparamkundram in favor of the Hindus, but today with anger they are demolishing means it is highly atrocious, and the DMK should answer this in the election 2026. From the beginning they have allowed the Islamic program to be conducted in the hillock, and they allowed the hoisting of the flag of the Islamic religion, but at the same time when the other religion goes to the hill, there won't be any law and order problem. But when Hindus go and light the lamp, there will be law and order problem. This type of separatist mindset is highly condemnable. That too, a government is behaving like this is highly condemnable.
But the temple has been demolished here. It belongs to HRNC, and there is an encroachment area. That is what the government.
No, that is what I am telling. So many temples are there. 48,000 temples are there. Okay. Its contribution from the people goes to the government. Okay. And there are so many lands. Its contribution also goes to the government. Okay. When the government is earning lakhs and lakhs and crores of from the devotees, okay, a temple with the belief of a devotee is there, why can't you leave it? Okay. As if encroachment, if they are taking all the encroachment, most of the DMK leaders' houses, are constructed after encroachment. So if we are really going on encroachment, we have to see where are the DMK ministers has constructed, where are the lakes has been encroached, where all the ponds has been encroached. So when there is encroachment by the temple, immediately they go. Then immediately it is court order. Even lighting the lamp is court order. Why didn't you obey? But demolish the temple, court order means immediately you demolish. I am asking one question. So much of devotees' money is given to the government. How can a small place which the belief of devotees can be kept away, left away?
Yeah. Now, how do you see about the present situation of political scenario of the ADMK right now allying?
Yeah, we are very happy. We are very happy. PMK has aligned with that officially. They have joined, and repeatedly, definitely there will be good news for NDA. Not only good news for NDA, good news for people of Tamil Nadu. Double engine government, as our Honorable Prime Minister always says, development. Double engine government can be expected in Tamil Nadu. So 2026 will be a winning year for us.